Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Best Take on your Pixel 10 Pro. Best Take is a really good feature that lets you take a series of photos and then make the face on the photo look the best. And I'll explain everything in detail. So on the photo there has to be at least one face, but it's I think best if there's multiple faces on the photo. And you know, if you take a photo, especially of multiple people, then there's a chance that like one of the people, I don't know, covers their eyes, closes their eyes, or something like covers the face, or they make a weird face and you don't want that weird face on the photo, or that person doesn't want that weird face on the photo. Then you can edit just one person by taking a series of photos, just a few photos, similar photos, in the similar environment of these people. Later on editing, like if someone made a weird face, then you can edit that person to copy a face from a different photo that you've taken from the series of the photos that you've taken. So the face is good, but you know, just like one person has you know, the face from one photo, the other one from the other one, so everyone looks good on the photo, even if like on all, like there's 5 people, 5 photos taken, and on all of these photos like a different person blinked, you know, you can just edit one of them to paste a face from the different photo of that person, if you know what I mean. Now you can see I have a few selfies here. And you know, they are not all the best, and I'm just myself here, but if there were more people it'll also work, and it's working best that way. But yeah, if I go to one of the photos and let's say like I don't like this face here, I can just click on edit, click on actions, best take, and it's finding similar shots, and now I can change that face to a different one. So let's see how it works. Remember, it's gonna look weird sometimes it's gonna look good, sometimes it's gonna look weird, because it's still like AI, it's learning, you know, it's not perfect, especially in like environments like this I have right here. But in a moment I'm gonna try to take a different photo, or maybe let's look at my different photo. I had one like with my full face and my hair, you know, like this one, but let's say I like to change the face here. Let's click on edit, and now click on actions and click on best take. And now I think I like the photo itself, but I'd like to swap to a face from my different photo, and you can see it does that. So yeah, it can do a lot. Of course, depends on the environment. Sometimes it's gonna look really good, sometimes it's gonna look weird, but feel free to try it out. As I said, if you take like 2 photos, on one of the photos one person blinked, on the other one, then you can just go to one of these photos, edit it, and take the photo of the person that blinked from the photo that that person didn't blink on, so everyone has open eyes, for example. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.